Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from CSV files right into 1Password. Guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Drew Tutorial. And if you're not new, special welcome back, guys. So all you have to do this is click your account on the upper right hand side in your admin console, and you want to click on import data. From here, you can see that you can import from a whole range of different things, browsers, other password managers, and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, we will choose the CSV file. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on continue. Choose the vault that you want to import the data into. So let's say I wanted to import it into test passwords. I can click on that and click on next. And now you want to go ahead and choose those CSV files that you have that contains a password, right? And once you have those, you can go ahead and open it. Then you will be able to continue from here, and you'll be reviewing those items and you'll be able to check those labels. And this process from here is pretty much straightforward. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.